Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and have a baby in Stardew Valley. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply get into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access a particular Stardew, and you have to get married. Simply go ahead. Once you're done getting married, the other thing that you have to make sure is you do have these farmhouse updated. If once you have updated, you will be able to have a room for your kid, right? Once you have done that, then if your farmhouse is also updated and you got married, then finally you will be able to have a child. And after, once you're done getting married in the house with your spouse, you will be able to have a baby every time when you go to sleep. There is a 5% chance for you to do so. Either your spouse gonna ask you whether you want to have a baby or not, or adopt a baby. You simply gotta choose a yes or not now option. And once you're, if you want to choose, if you want to have, you can choose yes, and then you will be able to choose yourself gender for the baby. Once you have done so, you can also make sure that only 2 childs you can have in Stardew Valley. Once you have chosen a one kid, for the next child you'll have to automatically, it will be updated to the opposite gender of the first child, and the child will never grow up. Once the child is in the toddler state, you will be able to have a second child. So that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.